Let's try to understand the structure of the program.cs file. You can see here, this is project name. What is the project name? My console
My
application.
console.
And namespace is the keyword. Generally, keywords will be displayed in blue color. A namespace is the keyword which is representing the namespace is a keyword which is representing the project. Before project, generally we will have the namespace keyword, and here program is the class name and class is the keyword. To define a class, we will use a keyword called class, and the project contain one class and the class name is program. And here you can observe one important point, that is this is a namespace block and this is program class block, and here you have a method. Any disturbances, mute yourself immediately. Right, that maintenance that has to take care by each and every individual should be feel very responsible about the training. Right, next coming to, yes, within the class you can observe, I'm sorry, disturbances are very danger. Namespace block, class block, you can see opening brace to closing brace is a block, and you can see here within the program class you have a method, because method is a member of a class. So here you can see the method name is main is the name of the method, and static and void are the keywords. What is the role of these keywords? Slowly you will understand once we entered into programming. Up to that, just remember that before main method we have a keyword called void. Before that we have a keyword called static. Main is the name of the method. And one more important point is this part is called signature. This part is called a signature. Generally, whenever you will define a method, the method will represent with signature. The parenthesis part technically called a signature. Generally, signature will contain parameters or arguments. Here we have an argument. The name of the argument is args. That argument data type is string, and here this is called subscription operator, because here args is a array parameter. So right now we don't require to worry about what is parameter, why parameter, all these things. Okay, that all the things we will learn in OOPS programming. Up to that you remember that this part is called signature. The signature part contain one parameter. The name of the parameter is args. The type, data type is string, and this is called subscription operator because it is array parameter. With this we are not going to do anything, so that is the reason what I am telling you, you don't require to worry. Next, it is main block, it is main block, it is program block, it is namespace block. And one important point is, according to the coding standards, every class name should start with capital letter. That's why program is the name of the class. Here P is the capital. Every method should start with capital letter. Due to that reason, here main is the method name, M is the capital letter, and the project name will be with capital letters. Means, let's say this project name contains 3 words. Every word is starting with capital letter. M is capital, C is capital, A is capital. My console application. And coming to, these are all what you know, base class libraries. These are all base class libraries. Leave all the base class libraries. Just remember only one. System is the base class library and using is the keyword. System is the base class library. Base class library is nothing but predefined class library which are provided by the Microsoft. Here using system means, the meaning of the statement is I am using system base class library in this program. Means whenever you want to use a base class library in your program, you should write like in the top of the program above the namespace, like using base class library name. For example, tomorrow you will implement multi-threading programming, then you will use a base class library called using system.threading semicolon. Day after tomorrow you are going to implement files programming, the base class library is using system.io, like this. in this way. And every statement is ending with what? Semicolon. Here because you have written three statements. That is the story. Finally, you can say these three are the base class libraries and using is the keyword. So that is the story finally. Okay. Now this is the structure of a what file? Structure of which file? Structure of which file?
Class file program.cs.
Program.cs file.